Hello, beautiful Agatha Mind family. Welcome again to another wonderful update. Thank you so dearly for always supporting. I really appreciate. If you are just coming across this wonderful family for the first time, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing you the news back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. So carry your popcorn. Let's dive into what's happening today.
Constituent from the community of Manga, a village in Shibon ward of Takum local government, 20 kilometers away from the famous Kashimbila Dam, which is almost completed by about 96 or 7% by the federal government. This village came under attack by the Ambazonia forces or separatist movement from southwest Cameroon. And the village head and 4 others were killed in this attack. Mr. President, I consider this as an attack on our territorial integrity, like I said, and our sovereignty as an independent nation. And one life lost in an attack like this cannot be taken lightly. And I rise this morning to draw the attention of my countrymen, and particularly the security operatives. Takum local government houses the 23rd Battalion of the Nigerian Army. And so, Mr. President, it is my humble submission that the Nigerian Army will rise to the challenge and curb this unwanted territorial expansion. What it means, what is their motive, is yet unknown. Whether they want to expand territory that they want to lay claim for in southwest Cameroon, we are not yet clear. But as I speak, a number of individuals have gone missing and are yet unknown their whereabouts. The village also is razed down. So, Mr. President, I plea with my colleagues, if it pleases the chair, to observe just a minute's silence to honor Chief Alata Manga, the village head, and those who were slain in this unwanted attack. Thank you, Mr. President.
In case you don't get the news properly, Ambazonia army has attacked one town in Taraba state. The alleged soldiers of the Ambazonia region in Cameroon attacked Tukam region in Taraba state and killed 11 people. One of them being the traditional king of the region. So I begin to imagine, where is the security in Nigeria? You see what people are talking about? This is what people are talking about. Now they are not saying that Ambazonia soldier entered Nigeria like Taraba state, and they moved away some persons and killed some, that they want to enlarge their territory. Are you not telling me that there is no border between the Taraba or the Cameroon or the little part that they meet themselves together? No wonder the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Mazinadi Kanu, say it will come to a time that they will come to your house. They will come to your doorpost. They will knock on your doors and you will open for them. He said it will come to pass, since the people in southeastern part of Nigeria, they are crying and you people don't want to respond. You are forming deaf ear. He said they will get to your doorpost. He said Takum town is a city in the deep land of Nigeria and Cameroon in the northern region. Joseph Moga, Deputy Governor Darus of Taraba State, told Report China that the assault occurred early this Wednesday morning, that is the 17th day of November 2021. Morgan also said that the traditional king who was killed was his brother. He said Ambazonia soldiers rebelled our country early this morning. They are the first to call the city of Cameroon before they come to our town. Look at now. Who are you crying to now? You are crying that Cameroon soldier entered Nigeria. So now you need help. They enter Nigeria to do what? To come and be collecting your people, or they want to enlarge their territory. Come on. Let's think about all these things. Look at what the common man is facing. That is what you people now are now facing. You see? Are you not telling me that the Taraba state is Cameroon? When they are telling you that the Ambazonia soldiers, they are not jokers. You thought it's a joke as well. Look at it. They've entered Nigeria. They make their strength known to these people that they are coming. They even called them that they are coming. And they called Cameroon as well and tell them, we are already in Nigeria territory. In fact, we are in Taraba state right now. Can you imagine? Nigeria government some time ago deployed some armies or police or navy to that place to do their usual work there. So you cannot secure your land. You cannot secure your territory. You cannot secure your border. And you are not crying that Cameroon, Ambazonia soldier entered Nigeria. Oh my word. In fact, I did not play the video. That is why I just used the audio for you people to hear some things that is going on. This voice you just heard, the first voice you heard, is from our lawmakers. They are the ones crying right now. Lawmakers in Nigeria, when something is going wrong, they will form deaf ear. They will behave as if they don't know the law. But when it comes to a point whereby the thing hits them, maybe hit one member of their family, then you see they're saying it out. Do you know that the traditional ruler that was killed is one of the deputy governor's brother? That was why the alarm raised so high. If not, these people would have been going along with some things that nobody even say about it. Just like what Nigerian government or Nigerian police normally do. They will silence you without nobody saying anything about it. And now they are not even ashamed to say that Ambazonia soldier entered Nigeria. That is when you will know that this race is really autopilot. He said the number of people they killed is now 11, including my brother, who is the traditional ruler of the state. And again, according to the report, they make away with some persons, and to date, or to this particular moment that they dish out the news, they have only come across 5 corpses. So my mother family, that is the situation right now in the country called Nigeria. That they are not ashamed to say it, that Ambazonia soldiers entered Nigeria the early hour of 17th day of November 2021 and made away with some of their people, and along the line 11 people were killed. That the Cameroon or the Ambazonia soldier need an enlargement of their territory, and they said Nigeria need to quit from that particular place because they are not joking at all. So what is your take on this particular video that you just watched? Thank you so dearly. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing you this news live and direct. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.